food through photosynthesis, which allows them to survive in nutrient-poor environments. Some common lichens found in Antarctica include Calothrix crustacea and Usnea spp. These lichens not only contribute to the ecosystem by providing food for small animals, but they also play a role in soil formation by breaking down the rocks they grow on. Algae, especially microalgae, are another vital part of Antarctica's flora. In fact, Antarctic algae are known to thrive in snow and ice, creating a vibrant green hue on the surface of glaciers. These microalgae are able to photosynthesize even at low temperatures and can be found in various habitats, from snowfields to ocean waters. One well-known species is Chlamydomonas nivalis. These two flowering plants are the only species that can grow in the cold, windy conditions of the Antarctic Peninsula and its surrounding islands. Antarctic hairgrass is a hardy plant that can grow to about 30 centimeters tall. It has long, slender leaves that can withstand harsh winds and freezing temperatures. The grass usually grows in patches on the windswept coasts and rocky areas where it can benefit from the nutrients provided by bird droppings and other organic matter. It plays a vital role in stabilizing the soil and preventing erosion, which is crucial in such a fragile environment. The Antarctic pearlwort is a small, low-growing plant that typically reaches only a few centimeters in height. It has tiny, fleshy leaves and can produce small white flowers during the brief Antarctic summer. Both of these flowering plants system and the potential introduction of non-native species that could disrupt the delicate environment. In addition to the ecological significance of Antarctic flora, these plants also serve as valuable indicators of climate change. Scientists study mosses, lichens, and other plants to monitor changes in their distribution and health, which can provide insights into the broader effects of climate change on the Antarctic ecosystem. For example, scientists have observed changes in the growth patterns of mosses and lichens in response to rising temperatures, helping them understand how climate change is impacting the region. The enduring fauna of Antarctica. Now let's shift our focus to the fauna of Antarctica. Let's start with one of the most iconic creatures of Antarctica, the emperor penguin. Emperor penguins are this extraordinary adaptation allows them to survive and reproduce in such an inhospitable environment. Seals are another group of animals that thrive in Antarctica, with the Weddell seal being one of the most studied. These seals are remarkable divers, capable of plunging to depths of over 600 meters and holding their breath for more than an hour. They use their teeth to maintain breathing holes in the ice, which are essential for their survival in the frozen landscape. Researchers have discovered that Weddell seals possess an internal compass aligned with Earth's magnetic fields, allowing them to navigate through the icy waters with precision. Leopard seals, on the other hand, are the top predators of the Antarctic seas. Known for their sleek, torpedo-shaped bodies and powerful jaws, they primarily hunt penguins, fish, and krill. These fish have adapted to the freezing waters by developing clear blood that lacks hemoglobin, the protein that carries oxygen in most vertebrates. Instead, they rely on the high solubility of oxygen in cold water to absorb it directly through their skin. Icefish also produce antifreeze proteins, which prevent their blood from freezing, a vital adaptation for survival in such cold conditions. The colossal squid is another intriguing inhabitant of the Antarctic waters. Known for its enormous size, with some individuals reaching lengths of up to 46 feet, the colossal squid has the largest eyes of any known animal, which help it see in the dark depths of the ocean. This elusive creature is a formidable ambush predator, using its sharp hooks and powerful beak to capture prey such as the Patagonian toothfish, food source for many larger animals, including whales, seals, and penguins. Their ability to form massive swarms is an adaptation that helps them evade predators and ensures their survival in the nutrient-rich Antarctic waters. The Antarctic ecosystem is also home to some lesser-known yet remarkable creatures, such as the Antarctic sea spider and the giant isopod. Antarctic sea spiders, which can grow to the size of a dinner plate, are not true spiders, but belong to a class of marine arthropods called pycnogonids. They have long legs and a small body, and they feed by sucking the bodily fluids of soft-bodied invertebrates. Giant isopods, on the other hand, are deep-sea crustaceans that resemble oversized pillbugs. They are scavengers, feeding on the remains of dead animals that sink to the ocean floor. Then there's the Antarctic strawberry feather star, stands out against the dark ocean backdrop. Its long, feathery arms, extending from a central disc, help it capture food. The biodiversity of Antarctica extends beyond the marine environment. The continent's ice-free areas, though limited, support a range of terrestrial life forms. One of the most interesting of these is the Antarctic midge, the largest purely terrestrial animal native to Antarctica. This tiny insect, measuring only 2 to 6 millimeters in length, survives the harsh conditions by entering a state of dormancy during the winter months, allowing it to withstand freezing temperatures. In recent years, technological advancements have allowed researchers to explore previously inaccessible areas of Antarctica, uncovering new species and gaining insights into the continent's biodiversity. With freezing temperatures and powerful winds, researchers from around the world come to Antarctica to study its unique ecosystems and understand the broader implications for our planet. Modern research and conservation activities in Antarctica are more crucial than ever, especially in the face of climate change and environmental challenges. The pristine environment of Antarctica makes it a natural laboratory for scientists. One of the main reasons researchers are drawn to this frozen continent is its relatively untouched ecosystems, which provide a baseline for understanding natural processes. The Antarctic Treaty, signed in 1961, set aside the continent as a place for peaceful research and collaboration, free from military activity and mineral mining. This treaty is a cornerstone of conservation efforts, ensuring that scientific research is prioritized and that the continent's environment is protected. In recent years, the focus on climate change to understand the dynamics of ice melt and predict future changes. One of the most significant research projects in Antarctica is the study of ice cores. Scientists drill deep into the ice to extract cores that can be thousands of meters long. These cores contain layers of ice that have accumulated over hundreds of thousands of years, each layer trapping tiny bubbles of air. By analyzing the gases and particles in these bubbles, scientists can reconstruct past climates and understand the natural cycles of warming and cooling. This information is critical for understanding current climate change and predicting future trends. The biodiversity of Antarctica, though less apparent than in tropical regions, is unique and important. The Southern Ocean, which surrounds the continent, is teeming with life. It supports a complex food web, from tiny phytoplankton to massive whales. One of the key species in this ecosystem is krill. Scientists are working to understand these changes and develop strategies for mitigation and adaptation. Conservation efforts are focused on protecting the unique habitats and species of Antarctica, ensuring that they can continue to thrive despite environmental pressures. International cooperation is essential for the success of research and conservation efforts in Antarctica. Scientists from countries around the world collaborate on projects, sharing data and resources to advance our understanding of this remote and important region. The Antarctic Treaty System facilitates this collaboration, promoting peace and scientific research while protecting the environment. In addition to scientific research, there is growing interest in sustainable tourism in Antarctica. While tourism can provide economic benefits and raise awareness about the importance of conservation, it also poses risks to the fragile environment. Strict regulations and guidelines are in place to minimize